Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Did you know that the secret to glowing skin could be hiding in your kitchen? That's right. Today we're talking about the amazing skincare benefits of rice. From rice water to rice flour, these natural remedies can transform your skin. Let's dive into how rice can give you that healthy, radiant glow. Rice has been used in beauty treatments for centuries, especially in Asian cultures. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin, and when used topically, rice can brighten your complexion, reduce inflammation, and even protect your skin from sun damage. Whether you're using rice water, rice flour, or rice bran oil, this simple ingredient can work wonders for your skin. So, let's explore some of the best ways to use rice for glowing skin. Rice water for brightening skin. First up, rice water. It's one of the simplest and most effective natural toners you can use. Rice water is rich in antioxidants, vitamins B and E, and minerals that help brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and improve elasticity. To make rice water, rinse a cup of rice to remove any impurities. Then soak the rice in 2 cups of water for about 30 minutes. Strain the water into a clean container and voila, you've got your rice water toner. After cleansing your face, apply the rice water with a cotton pad or mist it onto your skin. Use it daily for a radiant complexion. Rice flour exfoliating scrub. Next, let's talk about rice flour. Rice flour is a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin soft and smooth. It's perfect for brightening dull skin and giving you that fresh, youthful glow. To make a simple exfoliating scrub, mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour with a little water or milk to form a paste. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, focusing on areas where you might have dry or rough skin. Rinse off with warm water and repeat this once or twice a week for glowing results. Rice bran oil for moisturizing and anti-aging. Rice bran oil is another fantastic rice-based ingredient for your skin. It's rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, including vitamin E, which helps moisturize and protect your skin. Rice bran oil is also known for its anti-aging properties, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while improving skin elasticity. You can use rice bran oil as a facial moisturizer or mix a few drops into your regular moisturizer. Just apply it to your skin after cleansing and let the nourishing oils work their magic. It's especially great for dry or mature skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. Rice face mask for soothing and hydration. One of my favorite ways to use rice in skincare is by making a rice face mask. This mask helps soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and hydrate your complexion, giving you that fresh, dewy look. To make a rice mask, mix 2 tablespoons of cooked, mashed rice with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of milk or yogurt. Apply the mask to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to use rice for glowing, youthful skin. Whether you're using rice water, rice flour, rice bran oil, or a rice face mask, these natural remedies can help you achieve that radiant complexion you've been dreaming of. Remember, skincare is all about consistency, so try to incorporate these rice-based treatments into your regular routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more natural beauty tips. Have you tried rice in your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments below.